And this week on Dreamweaver,
it's time to add a tricolor light to the dinghy so that we'll have navigation lights for night operation. Hi, I'm Tony.
And I'm Kathy.
And welcome to our adventures on Dreamweaver. So here's the new Mantus anchor kit for the dinghy. So inside the box, we have line for the road for the bag, put everything in, and the Mantus anchor. £2.5 pounds. This is easy to store. There's the anchor, the roll bar, flute, and this goes on the tip. See how it goes together. You're supposed to not take any tools. Got a little pin in it. That's cool. That's a nice bag, wet bag. Here, keep it all in. That's really nice. That's really awesome. There's one. Probably go in here all together. Probably want to put it together. Put it in a particular part. Cool. really like the storage bag. It's really nice to be able to keep all the parts of the anchor together. It also has a belt and a strap that clips to keep it tight, to keep all the parts from falling out while it's in the front of the dinghy. The whole anchor kit can mount in the bag in the bow locker on the high field. There's enough room to get it down in there, and the bag will keep it all the parts together, and it's a really nice place to be able to store it out of the way. Oh, that's where the anchor is there. Cool. Next, we're going to be installing a Mantus navigation light for a dinghy that mounts on the transom. And you can also take it off, keep it off the dinghy when you're not using it. It can be charged either by USB or it also has solar charging. It's USCG approved up to 2 nautical miles. Has a 360-degree tricolor light, so red, white, and the green. Or you can use it as a 225 bicolor light or 112.5 red side light or green light, or just a 135-degree stern light. We'll be using it for the tricolor light for all 3 lights. This thing is really neat, and it's made out of stainless steel, and you can make the pole whatever length you want, if you want it over your head or you want it short. And it comes with a mount to mount it on the transom. And that's what I'm doing here is drilling the holes to mount through the transom, so you'll be able to get it on and off easily. This connector goes on the bottom of this light, and then I cut this bar 42 inches so it could be over my head. And let's go over here. Tightens up inside the bar. And when you want to take the light off, just unclick it. It pulls off. Put it back on and lock it. That locks. Yeah, there you go. Put it on the button. Next episode on Dreamweaver SB. The Rocky 30 refrigerator freezer. So what it consists of is it's 2 boxes in one.